Today is a special day for Sarah. She wants to say thank you to Mark. Remember Mark? He helped her with the coffee and he helped her with the grass. So Sarah wants to cook a nice dinner for him. She is in her kitchen. Look, she has a big cookbook. What is she looking at? She is looking at a recipe for a chicken dinner. She has many fresh vegetables on the table. Orange carrots, yellow potatoes, and an onion. She has green lettuce for a salad too. Sarah thinks, I can do this. I will make a delicious dinner. Sarah starts to cook. First, she takes a big round onion. She needs to chop the onion into small pieces. She takes a sharp knife. Chop, chop, chop. The onion is very strong. Oh no. Look at Sarah's eyes. Her eyes are red. Water comes out of her eyes. She is crying. She tries to stop, but the tears keep coming. Why do onions always make me cry? She asks. She uses her hand to wipe the tears away. Cooking is not always easy. Next, Sarah puts a big pot on the stove. She puts water inside for the soup. The water gets very, very hot. It starts to make small bubbles. Then the bubbles get bigger and bigger. The water jumps out of the pot. It spills all over the stove. Oh no, not again, Sarah shouts. The oven is wet and messy. Sarah quickly takes the lid off of the pot. She is stressed. This is not a fun dinner so far. Now it's time for the main dish, the chicken. Sarah takes a big chicken and puts it on a metal tray. She opens the oven door. It is a very big oven. She pushes the tray with the chicken inside. Clang! She closes the door. She looks at the clock on her counter. It says 1 hour. Sarah smiles. She thinks, yes, 1 hour and the chicken will be perfect. It will be golden and warm. Mark will love it. 1 hour passes. She hears a small ding from the oven. Time to take the chicken out, she thinks. But then, beep, 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 a very loud noise comes from the kitchen ceiling. It is the smoke alarm. Oh no, look at the oven. What is that? It is gray smoke. A lot of smoke is coming from inside the oven. Sarah's eyes get big. She's very scared. What is happening? She asks loudly. Sarah quickly opens the oven door. More smoke comes out. Sarah coughs. She pulls the tray out. Oh no, look at the chicken. Is it golden? No, it is completely black. It looks like charcoal. It is very, very burnt. The dinner is ruined. Sarah looks at the black chicken. She puts her hand on her head. She feels very, very sad. My beautiful dinner, she says. It is a complete disaster. Suddenly, someone is at the front door. It is Mark. He is wearing a blue shirt. He is holding a nice red bottle of wine. He looks surprised. Mark smells the smoke. He looks at Sarah. Sarah is still holding the burnt chicken. The smoke alarm is still making noise. Beep, beep, beep. Mark looks surprised. Sarah, what is all this smoke? Are you okay? He asks. Sarah looks at Mark. She feels very sad and embarrassed. She shows him the black chicken. She wants to cry again. But then Mark looks at the chicken and he starts to laugh. He laughs a lot. He says, "Oh, Sarah, this is very funny. Don't worry, it's okay. My stomach is not ready for black chicken tonight. Accidents happen in the kitchen." His laughter makes Sarah feel a little better. She starts to smile. Mark is very clever. He takes out his phone. He calls a pizza place. "Hello, I need one big pepperoni pizza," he says. Soon the pizza arrives. It is hot and smells delicious. Sarah and Mark sit on the kitchen floor. They eat the pizza from the box. They're laughing and talking. The smoke alarm finally stops. The kitchen is still a little smoky, but Sarah and Mark are happy. The burnt dinner becomes a fun night. They enjoy the simple pizza together. What a perfect ending to a chaotic evening. I hope you enjoyed learning English as we continue to follow the story of Sarah and Mark. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.